Last thing we're going to talk about today is the segment of a circle. So the segment of a circle is the part of a circle bounded by an arc and the segment joining its endpoint. So if I were to call this A and B, it's bounded by this straight line that connects them and the arc AB. One thing to note is that it's part of what our original sector was. So we have to think of a creative way to find the area of the segment. And so the way that we can do this is we take the area of the sector and we subtract the area of this triangle. Well, we know how to find the area of the sector because this is just a portion of what the area of the circle is. And we could find the area of this triangle because if we know this angle, say this one was 135 degrees and this radius was 6, well, the area of the triangle would be equal to 1/2 my side 1 times side 2 times the sine of my angle, which would be 135 degrees. And that's how I'd find the area of that triangle. So if I took the area of the sector, which we've been working on, and I subtracted the area of that triangle, it leaves me with the area of our segment. So that's what we're going to do. So in this one, we're finding the area of the segment. Well, this makes it really hard to see because it's very small, but it's there. So we still have to follow the same process. So that's my segment, right? And that's what we're trying to find. Well, first things first, I know I'm doing the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle to get the area of my segment. So area of the sector, well, this is 30 degrees, and since the whole thing is 12 feet, that means this half is 6 feet. Well, area of the sector over the area of the circle, which the area of the circle is going to be pi times my radius squared, which is equal to 30 over 360. So I can solve for the sector there, and I'm going to leave it in terms of pi for now. So this is 30 times 6 squared divided by 360, and I end up with the area of the sector being equal to 3 pi, and this would be feet squared. Area of the triangle, well, if that side's 6, this side is 6, so area of the triangle has to be equal to 1/2 side 1 times side 2 times its enclosed angle there, so this would be the sine of 30 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do that. So 1/2 multiplied by 6, multiplied by 6, multiplied by the sine of 30 degrees. And for this, I get 9.00 feet squared. So area of my segment is equal to 3 pi minus 9. Well, if I do 3 pi minus 9, I'm left with 0.425, and this would be feet squared. So these ones are going to take a little bit more work, but just take your time and use what we know to find something that we don't know already.